cover off. It actually did have the guide still, the metal piece, but as you can see, you're supposed to go here. It chewed through all of that. Chain looks great. Unfortunately, we're not going to use that again though. So ate through that. That's timing chain rattle. It's either hitting this metal piece. It actually should look like that all the way down from top to bottom. So it's either hitting that metal piece and the plastic is broken off, or this is that water pump passage. And I'll grab the timing chain cover here. And so when that happens is that chain slaps after it eats through the metal of that bracket that goes there, and then it'll eat through the metal here and then dump, obviously, antifreeze into the oil, and that's not good. So when you start hearing timing chain rattle, you know, it might be time to get it maintenance. That's a dead giveaway that something ain't what it's supposed to. And actually the tensioner that goes here, it holds pressure, but something was definitely, but I mean, look at the gunk on this oil, all the sludge. I'm sure it was clogging up this oil passage, or the little oil passage that is actually, let's see if we can, oh yeah, it's so tiny. There it is. That little dot inside there, that little black dot. That's what pushes the oil pressure and creates tension against the chain on this. I would like to get the ratcheting one. We'll see.